So over here, you can see that I have some files right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and create out my own folder in Terabox as well. So over here, I'm in the root folder itself. So to create a new folder over here, simply click on New Folder. Mind that you have to be on the My Cloud section to have access to files and folders. So I'm going to click on New Folder right here, and then it gives you an option to create a new folder. So I'm just going to go around and name it as Sample Folder right here, just like this. Let me just go around over here and correct it right here, and then press the check mark button to go ahead and create out a folder just like this. So now if I were to go ahead and click, then what happens is that I have this folder. So now I can go ahead and create another folder inside of that particular folder as well. So I'm just going to go around and say folder 2 right here, just like this, and utilize the check mark button right here, just like this. So now this is what you have right here. And that is how you can go ahead and create out a new folder. If you have an existing folder right here, just like this, you can go around and click on New Folder. And I'm just going to say New Folder 2 right here. Let me just add in space in between as well. Press the check mark and a new folder is created just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and create out a new folder as you like inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.